I actually guide them to do proper way of doing yoga. I teach them that how they should start and how they should end in a very simple and gentle way. Shivananda is famous for that only. Classes तो फ्राइडे को बैलेंसिंग एंड स्ट्रेंथनिंग. सो इट्स मोर अबाउट 3 से 6 साल के जो बच्चे हैं दे आर डेवलपिंग पीरियड्स होते हैं, मसल्स डेवलप होते हैं, उनके नर्वस सिस्टम डेवलप होते हैं. सो इन दैट केस यू कैन नॉट टच फिजिकल करेक्शन आप नहीं कर सकते हो बच्चों के इतने. और प्लस योगा एट दिस एज.
How safety there no problem. So yoga is exercise type, so no problem. Though children who are going to school etc. they are otherwise normal only. If you are handling abnormal children then that's different thing. The abnormal of those who are mentally retarded, having convulsion or physical, they are not that fit, any abnormality of the hands and legs. So that segment is different.
And
Behavior, intelligent, and eating habits, all that what parents want. So you will find in a yoga group there is overall development in all the aspects you compare. And non-yoga group you will find difficulty, that's still cranky and non-cooperative and stupid and all that, disobedient. Non-yoga group. Behavior, the parents are worried on the children are disobedient. They are cranky, don't eat food well, and create a lot of problem for the parents. What you call that? They become demanding. तो कोऑपरेट नहीं करते, घर में समस्या करते हैं. तो योगा ग्रुप वाले कम करते हैं और नॉन योगा वाले ज़्यादा करते हैं. तो लाइक दैट, सो देयर विल बी क्लियर कट डिफरेंस बिटवीन दीज टू ग्रुप आफ्टर 1 year. And mainly mother is very much involved, parents are more involved, more in mother. क्योंकि बाप भी अपना ऑफिस जाता है, ड्यूटी करता है, तो टाइम कम देता है. माँ मेनली बच्चों को देखती है, रिस्पॉन्सिबल है. फिर माँ की एजुकेशन क्या है वो देखती है. एक्सपेक्टेशन तो बहुत सबकी है, बट आर दे फिट टू डिजर्व ऑल दैट?
Yes.
Yeah, I would like my child to be president of India, prime minister, मोदी बन जाएगा. तो उम्मीदों की बात छोड़ो, बट expectations are everywhere. All parents expect high and all that. But do they deserve that expectation? तो वो देखना पड़ता है. जैसे बच्चा फेल भी होता है तो उसको encourage करते हैं. तो education is very important. Teaching is important. If the mother is well educated, she will help in better way as compared to that mother who is not educated much but expecting too high. अब वो तो नहीं होता है. बच्चा तो वो नहीं है, तो बच्चे को बच्चे के ढंग से उस बैकग्राउंड से आपको देखना पड़ेगा. उसकी कोई कंपैरिजन नहीं होती है. तो उसकी कंपैरिजन उसके बराबरी वालों से ही करना पड़ेगा आपको, कि 3 साल के बच्चों का परफॉर्मेंस 4 साल के, 5 साल के, 6 साल के. So
thank you, doctor, so for giving us this time. So
anything more you want to know? It's a really safe and helpful in future development. Because जो बच्चे जो अचीव करना चाहते हैं, तो this yoga will help in their achievement, in their future planning, future whole life. They will have the effect of the yoga.
And it really affects their on a mental and on spiritual level also. It really affects. It's not only on the physical level. Slowly and slowly the yoga develops, which takes place from the body to mind, mind to soul. So it needs patience also. The mother has to understand. It's a very patient kind of an activity first, and then it develops into spirituality. So doctor, thank you so much.
Thank you.